Vide Toolbox is an onboard guided cooking experience. You tell us what you're cooking, and we'll tell you how long it's going to take. Vide Toolbox uses algorithms to calculate the time to temperature and pasteurization for a vast range of foods. These food types include animal proteins, eggs, vegetables, fruit, legumes, lentils, custard, and yogurt. Vide Toolbox requires you to measure the thickest part of your food on its shortest side. To begin, select the food type. Follow the on-screen prompts for the selected food type. Determine if you would like to enable fast cooking, where the bath temperature is raised slightly higher than your desired core temperature to speed up the cooking process. Don't worry too much about overcooking. The last 2 degrees to reach core temperature takes quite some time, and an alarm will sound when the calculated cook time has elapsed so that you can either turn the bath temperature down or remove the food. You can also choose to add an ice bath calculation if you want to know how long it will take to cool the product down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit after cooking for storage and service later. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and follow us on all of our channels for more great content.